это пацанские муки. Братух, не обессудь, но ты везешь шпану. Когда водила протянул аукс, все мои волки делают ау.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nur Fatima from class English Education Department B 2019, and I did the implementation in Senior High School of Wan Alu in class 11 Miawan. And in this video I explain about the implementation of related to computer assisted language learning. To implement a code, of course, three must be preparation first. So, my preparation in this course is to start from the planning process, the purpose of implementing it, and how they could scope us. Okay, as we know that lesson plan is very important in the teaching and learning process. That's why I asked one of the English teacher at Senior High School of Wan Alu to ask for the lesson plan that was running, then a conversion it into technology. If the learning implementation plan has been conversion into technology, then I give it to one of the English students who is doing teaching assistant at Senior High School of Wan Alu to apply it. The purpose of implementing this learning implementation plan is to be able to provide a forum for students about the STEM to let students understand the material by using technology, and also provide teaching material to Senior High School of Wan Alu students related to material being taught. Next, we are inside target, which also includes the preparation stage in implementing technology. So, my target in using this technology with an external system is a grade 11 Mia Senior High School of Wan Alu. Next, we enter the scope stage. At this stage, three things that must be done, namely the planning stage, learning implementation, and evaluation or assessment. At the planning stage, of course, we plan how the teaching and learning process runs smoothly by using technology. Then for the implementation of learning, that is, we have to determine what subject will use this technology. For example, English lessons, so of course we must first provide material to students about what will be learning at this meeting. Then give a grade about the subject matter, and then go to the stage is how the form and result of the assessment are carried out by the teacher to students. For example, such as checking attendance, giving assessment around the material and assessment, and this assessment will be sent via the group WhatsApp. Next, we go to stage of implementation called early stage. In the early stage of implementation, me with one of the 2080 English students, namely Lydian Safira, who are currently doing teaching assistant at the Senior High School of Wan Alu. At this stage, we are implementation the learning process as designed in the lesson plan, namely 1. Students do great things and try to start learning. 2. The teacher checks student attendance. 3. Linking the learning material or activities to be carried out with the student's experience. 4. Ask questions to remember or relate to the next material. And the last, provide motivation to students. Next, course take. In this course take, my teaching assistant and me explain the little of the material in the detail to the students. In her student need to textbook as a concept of the material. In the first process, he explained to the students and then given opportunity to the students which part don't understand. The first teaching material. The teaching material that are shared are related to English with the little party time. And the second, learning method. The learning method applies is using textbook, telephone, and the WhatsApp application to send students a segment. Next, final stage. Final stage in the implementation of technology conversion learning with this learning system, the result of learning assessment. Learning evaluation are carried out in the form of given text to students to be collected in the WhatsApp application and answer a few questions on the Google forum whose link have been shared into a WhatsApp group. Next, assessment stage use implementation called evaluation. In this stage, I use WhatsApp group as a place to send assessment in Google forum to answer some questions related to the material that has been studied. Next, then the format of the question is multiple choice with will be done by students through Google forum. After that, it entered the assessment or evaluation by saying how many students answer wrong and answer correctly. Next, my order during the implementation of this call. As I can see that in Senior High School of One Alu, which is local in Alu district. The use of technology in this school is still very minimal because the school facilities are not complete for the student. Maybe not all students have a telephone, so it makes one of the reasons why the use of technology in learning is not to use it in the teaching and learning process. Not only that, at the school, the network rises and passes. It means that the network is not very supportive if students use the internet to find their subject matter. So it's more especially in this school, still very good by textbook as material concept that students learning. So my order for the school is that always the school pay attention to this. Namely by trying to complete technology-based school facilities such as being able to have a computer and LCD equipment, and so that student interest in learning will increase because if they continue to focus on textbook. Of course, students will feel bored because every week they have to study textbook. No, with the technology, of course, students will also feel enthusiastic in learning because apart from being able to use technological tool to learning, they can also find out how to use the computer. And for my impression during the implementation of this call, namely, When I first asked for the lesson plan from one of the English teacher at the school, he responded well to me and followed me into to comprehension his lesson plan which ran in the form of technology. And he also allowed me to apply a lesson plan that was comprehension into technology for me to apply in class 11 in 2 meetings. And also the response of students who carried out teaching assistants at the school was good and immediately applied the lesson plan that I made in classes they taught. Especially with my students, I was impressed with them because how they really pay attention to what Dian Sapira has explained and appreciate us when entering their class. And I'm also impressed because with this implementation task I can understand how to make lesson plan and how to apply it into classes which I make practical later. Okay, that's all from me. That's what I can see report during the implementation of this call at Senior High School of Wanalu. And thank you so much for the attention. Thank you for the watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.